Today I'm going to show you a demo of our real estate chatbot. So this is a innovative tool is designed specifically for real estate professional, providing an efficient and seamless way to engage with potential clients, generate leads, collect valuable customer information all in real time. In this video I will show you how the chat works on real estate website, it is user-friendly flow, and how the collected data is automatically added to the Google worksheet, Google Sheet for easy tracking and management. So let's get started. So this is our website. Like this is a demo website I created, and here you have a chatbot. So in this chatbot, and this is a Google Sheet. So what we are going to do, we are going to collect some information. So this is the menu. So in that menu, like when you click the chatbot, and we can ask few questions, like we can collect we can say that what is your location and what type of property. Like location is, we can say that Queens, New York City. And we ask budget, how many beds, how many bedrooms. I mean we can ask bedrooms, all other things also we can add. So I'm saying that the 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and large backyard, and then I enter. So it will collect the information. So you see this one is collecting, and we are going to collect the data in this Excel sheet, but still we don't have any data yet, only one row, that is old one. So now it's asking us to like provide other information also. So like name, so we are giving, it's asking the name and phone number. So we can provide the phone number. We can, it will ask email ID also. So you see this one, you go, still it is not in the Google worksheet. So once we enter the email ID, then you will see that a record is added, or row is added in the row is going to add in the Excel sheet, Google sheet. So it is integrated with this chatbot, so you can collect the lot of valuable information. Now it's going. Now you check the, you see this is the row. It has the property type, like buy, and all the information, phone number, date, and what time. You see the property type buy, and buy and sell is a single family house, home, and the location, and all this information. You can see this one, you check that one. So the questions and answer we provided, the chatbot asked the questions, and the customer provided. Customer means I am just giving the demo, no? So you see this one, all this information. See the coins and all those kind of stuff. Rate, what is the price, needs. Here you see, then how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms. So you see that telephone number and price, all those kind of information, good information you are collecting from the customer, and we can send it to the customer email notification, as well as it will come the notification to our email also, Gmail or any email, it will come to us also. So first we are like integrating with the Google Sheet. So you check this one, we will see again. Now this time we'll sell the property, we'll see that one. Before we buy the property, and then you are going, the chatbot is looking for the property, selling the property. So we are selling the property. So here you see still the 2 rows are there. Now we are going to collect the information. So single family house, and then what is the price, it will ask location. So we will provide the location, And so Denver, Colorado, we are providing. It is asking the price, gives whatever the price you want. And we are providing that kitchen, remodeled kitchen, phone number, name, email. Now I'm going to provide email. So once I will show you that how it will flow into the Google Sheet. You see here providing the email. Now you check, there is no row. Now I click here. Now click. See, it's going. Now you see, and check this. Here you see this row is added to the Excel sheet. I mean like Google Sheet, Google Workspace. And here it is asking for, do you want to schedule a appointment? You can say yes or no. If you say yes, then it will take it to the calendar way. Schedule, you can schedule, you have to create this calendar. And I mean any appointment or your Google calendar also you can use, but I'm using this one. So this is just I created a test, and you select the date, time, and you provide your information, name, and then schedule event. So it will add it to your, you will get the email notification saying that okay, this is the this time, this date you have appointment. So you got the information from the client, customer, and you are providing the appointment as well. So this chatbot is a game changer for the real estate professional. Not only real estate, but many other like a dentist. If you are a dentist, if you are a doctor, they want customer wants to make an appointment with a dentist or doctor, or roofing. If you have problem with the roofing, you can create the website and you can have a chat. The customer can come and chat with you, and they provide the here you see the email also. I mean in this email we provided some junk email, so like John K, something like that, no? So it is saying that the email is not available. You see this one, the email, that particular person email. I mean, we provided for testing some junk email. So but here we get the notification also. You see this a new submission notification, new chatbot. So you can enhance, enhance your email also. So this is a like a game changer for the real estate or anybody, and it automates lead collection, ensure accurate real-time data in the Google Sheet, provide engaging and client-friendly experience. So yeah, so you see this one. I mean the emails notifications. I was testing on the so that's why I got a lot of emails. I deleted those emails. So yeah, this is the script. I created the script for sending the email. As soon as row is added into Google Sheet, it should send it to one email to the customer and one email to the real estate professional, saying that you got a notification from the chatbot. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.